Hello, Tony here from TECARVR. You've seen the headlines, and they're hard to ignore. In the coming years, AI is expected to automate a massive share of jobs, and for many professionals, that sounds like the end of the road. But what if it isn't the end at all? What if this moment is actually the beginning of something new? The AI revolution isn't just about replacing humans. It's about upgrading them. In this video, I'll walk you through a survival guide, designed to help you navigate the age of AI with confidence, and even come out ahead by building a set of hybrid skills that make you more valuable than ever. There will be a great restructuring for all professions. Let's be honest, the anxiety people are feeling is completely real. When you hear predictions that up to 30% of current jobs could be automated by 2030, it's natural to feel some dread. Major companies are already talking openly about cutting thousands of roles, and the phrase white-collar bloodbath is appearing in serious business articles, not just on clickbait blogs. This isn't tomorrow. Automation replacements are already happening. But to prepare for this shift, we need to understand what's really going on. This isn't just about machines doing tasks faster than us. It's about a complete rewiring of the world of work. For the last 100 years, success was defined by knowledge. You went to school, learned the facts, memorized the procedures, and then built a career by applying what you knew. Your value was tied to the information stored in your head. Now AI has shattered that model. Artificial intelligence can access more information than any human ever could, and it can analyze and process that knowledge instantly. It can draft contracts, generate code, evaluate market trends, and write reports in seconds. The routine knowledge tasks that built entire career paths are being automated at breathtaking speed. So if information alone is no longer enough, what becomes valuable? The answer is the ability to use knowledge in innovative ways. It's about asking the right questions, applying critical thinking to AI's answers, and connecting ideas in ways a machine cannot. We've seen this pattern before. The Industrial Revolution automated manual labor, creating the need for knowledge workers. The AI revolution is now automating routine knowledge work, forcing us to evolve again into innovation workers. The real danger isn't that AI will take every job, it's that people will keep playing by rules that no longer apply. Here's the upside. According to the World Economic Forum, while AI could displace many jobs, it will also create millions of new ones. The challenge is making sure you are prepared for those new opportunities. It's about building your career on 3 strong pillars that give you resilience, flexibility, and long-term growth. Pillar 1. Become an AI collaborator, not a competitor. Trying to outwork or outthink AI is a losing game. Instead, the winning strategy is collaboration. Think of AI as the world's most powerful assistant, capable of handling endless routine tasks, while you focus on higher-level work. Studies from MIT and Harvard show that human-AI collaboration consistently outperforms either humans or AI working alone. To collaborate effectively, you need AI literacy. That doesn't mean becoming a machine learning engineer, but it does mean understanding what AI tools can and can't do. Companies may adopt these systems rapidly, but very few are training employees to use them well. So the responsibility to learn falls on you. Start experimenting with tools today. Learn the art of crafting prompts that produce useful answers. Practice spotting mistakes, biases, or hallucinations in AI outputs. The more comfortable you become at delegating repetitive work to machines, the more time you free up for strategy, creative thinking, and meaningful human interaction. Workers who collaborate with AI don't just report higher productivity, they also say their jobs feel more satisfying because the boring tasks no longer eat up their time. Pillar 2. Master your human superpowers. As AI handles the what, your value will come from the how and the why. This is where your uniquely human skills shine, and these are far harder to automate. The first superpower is critical and strategic thinking. AI can flood you with data, but only you can interpret what it means for your organization, your market, or your long-term goals. The second is creativity and complex problem-solving. AI is built on patterns from the past. It can remix ideas, but it struggles to invent something truly original. Human imagination, driven by curiosity and lived experience, will remain priceless. The third superpower is emotional and social intelligence. AI cannot build genuine trust, inspire a team, or lead through complex human dynamics. In a world full of artificial voices and generated content, real human connection becomes more valuable, not less. Pillar 3. Adopt the mindset of an adaptive learner. The last pillar is about mindset. Careers used to mean mastering one profession and sticking with it for decades. Those days are gone. The skills that matter today may be obsolete in just a few years. Your most important skill is learning itself. You need the flexibility to pivot, retrain, and adapt whenever the landscape changes. This means moving from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, where failure is not the end but a stepping stone toward improvement. Create a personal development plan. Look at the trends in your field and ask yourself, what skills will be essential in 3 years? Then start building them now. Set aside regular time for online courses, books, or personal projects. Treat learning as an ongoing habit, not a one-time achievement. If this survival guide is giving you clarity, make sure to subscribe to TECARVR. Theory is useful, but action matters most. Here are 3 steps you can take immediately. First, to become an AI collaborator, pick one repetitive task in your work, maybe summarizing meeting notes, drafting emails, or organizing data, and find an AI tool to handle it. Spend a focused session learning how it works until you can confidently hand off that task. Second, to strengthen your human superpowers, build a brag document. Record situations where your communication, creativity, or emotional intelligence made the difference. Over time, this becomes proof of your skills that goes beyond job titles or credentials. Third, to practice adaptive learning, set a simple 90-day plan. Choose one technical skill, such as mastering a new AI platform, and one human skill, such as negotiation or public speaking. Commit just a couple of hours each week. Small, steady progress will build powerful momentum. The AI revolution is the single biggest change we'll see in our working lives. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but it doesn't have to be frightening. This is not a wave that will drown you. It's a force you can understand, navigate, and even use to your advantage. The future doesn't belong to machines, and it doesn't belong to people who try to resist them. It belongs to the collaborators, the innovators, the creative problem solvers, and the lifelong learners. By grounding yourself in the 3 pillars, AI collaboration, human superpowers, and adaptive learning, you're not just defending your career. You're building the launchpad for the next, more fulfilling stage of your professional life. The revolution is here. Your upgrade starts now.